what people have been asking for. So sit back and enjoy and watch. Okay. Oh, what do you want to do? I want to watch some TV. What do you want to watch? Orange Bird Cooks. Yeah, that's a great show. I love it. It's filled with bacon. Make him use the remote. Okay. Let me
Here's the remote.
No, here's the remote. Okay.
And he
there
says,
it is. Click it.
"Hi, my name is Orange Bird, and you just went on Cooking with Orange Bird. Oh yeah, and this will not be included. This is just my juice box. Okay, before you cook, you must always wash your hands. Let's wash our hands." Okay, now that we've washed our hands, let's find our ingredients. And today, we will be cooking a really delicious mystery thing. Let's open the refrigerator.
Every time the eggs come water out.
No. Okay, so let's see. We are not getting Coca-Cola, okay? We are not getting Coca-Cola. Don't need lemon juice, no garlic.
Do you need some popcorn?
Oh yeah, popcorn. Thanks, Assistant Pig.
And also,
Popcorn.
if you need extra popcorn.
Okay, we need a bowl, Daddy. Get your butt out of the thingy. We need a bowl. Yay. Let's find the bowl. A bigger bowl. This is a huge bowl. So huge. All of our bowls keep on falling out. Okay. So,
If you're gonna cook something, you need a frying pan.
yes we do. Thanks. Let's put some of the popcorn into the bowl. Then the extra popcorn into the bowl too. Then you gotta melt some butter.
Do you want some salt? It only has a little bit inside.
We'll need that in just a minute after we melt our butter.
Then let me give it to you.
Thanks. Can you please get me a butter knife? We need that to cut our butter.
Okay.
Daddy's fixing his helicopter.
I'm the one who gets the metal things. I'm the one who gets the regular things. I'm the one that gets the pantry things. Like bread.
Okay, so we got the butter in there.
Wow, this show has been good so far.
Okay, then we'll put it in the microwave.
So are you really cooking?
I'm putting butter on popcorn.
Okay, so let's put it in there. 4. Okay. And press start. Okay.
If you want something candy, you might need marshmallows.
Okay. While we're waiting, you can watch some awesome commercials. See you in a bit. Don't go anywhere.
Wow. I don't like commercials. It's just so annoying. I just don't like commercials.
Yeah, you're stupid. We don't need to know anything because we know everything. And then a co-star comes knocking on the door.
No, that's not that.
Oh, sorry. Co-star comes knocking at the door.
No.
No, wait.
No, nothing. I'm
No.
knocking at the door.
Okay,
Now he gets back on the show.
It's very hot. So
we're back. And Daddy's gonna get out the hot butter. Getting the hot butter out, 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 out. Then, with those little gloves on, we're gonna pour the butter on. Okay, can we have the gloves? We're gonna put it on.
you need somebody else to do it. The camera work.
Can you do the camera?
Okay. I got a slingshot at it.
Okay.
Careful. No, not over the thing. That way. Yeah, there you go.
Whoops.
Okay, stop. You're getting it all over the gloves.
So, that's the popcorn. Now it's buttered. Okay. So, let's take a taste. Okay, that was not a buttered one. Let's find a nice and buttery.
I'm gonna go get
Assistant, you want some popcorn?
Nah, no thanks. Do you? Nah. Do you? No.
Okay. So, if you would like to contact me, I'm in California. And you make them say, we live in California.
We live in California. Good.
And I live on Mr. Boo Boo Street. And they say that they live in Mr. Boo Boo Street.
We live on Mr. Boo Boo Street, so we're really close.
And I live right across from 9922. And they say, we are 9922.
We are 99.
And then they start going crazy. We live across the street from Orange Park.
Ah, yay! We live across the street from Orangeburg.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
Eggs, isn't that awesome? Yeah!
Yeah. We live really close.
Okay, we will be continuing. But right now, I need to close that. Close the microwave. Then, in the next episode, we will be making a candy special. See you in a bit. It's the cat.
It's a cat.
Now what do we do?
Okay, y'all can take a lunch break. You can have some popcorn for lunch.
We don't want popcorn lunch. We want some eggs.
You cannot eat my family's eggs.
Be careful, stop. Don't touch anything over there. It's very hot.
No, I accidentally spilled some cheese.
Ding dong. Who is it?
I can get you some eggs from the grocery store. Actually, we have them in our giant fridge.
No, don't worry. have something to take care of that. Ding dong. Come in. It's me. Could I have your eggs, please? Sure, but do not cook them. Just to make sure.
Are you going to eat those eggs?
Yeah.
Give them to me now.
Yeah.
Here, he was trying to steal your eggs. I'll get him his own eggs. Come on, we got some. Let me get each of y'all an egg. Or do y'all want to share an egg?
We just want.
Okay, whoa, stop. Don't take out any eggs right now. You're not cooking really.
We need some eggs. We're hungry.
They just,
Oh, you hear me?
in the game, they're eating an egg.
Okay, well, use the plastic egg.
No, those are the Angry Birds eggs.
Why do we have this little thing over me and there? I don't know what
Now, what are you doing? Why are you in here anyway?
She's making a video.
No, but why is she in the kitchen?
She's making a video in the kitchen.
Okay. Okay, I've got y'all an egg.
Hey,
Egg? Wait. Put it in there. Now you can cook that egg.
there. There. This is here.
Okay. We're back on the... Now we're going to do our candy special.
Wait, Mama, I want to do something.
We'll do it after. Okay.
After what?
After this video. Okay.
No, it's in the video.
Okay. This is fun. Okay, so back to Orange Bird Cooks. This is the canned special. Let's go get our plate. It's up there, so I'm gonna have my friend get it. Piggy,
What?
can you help me get a plate?
Sure. Ow.
Not like that.
I get the regular stuff. And I get the things in the pantry.
We don't need anything right now. First, we need to get our plate.
We need candy for the candy special.
Yes, go get some candy. And we'll get a pink plate because it's our candy special. Okay. You pig, you'll stay there.
Some of these.